Today I'm going to show you the Airtouch mobile app. So let us start with opening the Airtouch app. So once you launch the app, you can see this screen. So typically when you are not on the Wi-Fi network, it will ask you for username and password. But because I'm already on the home Wi-Fi network and my Airtouch console is already configured on my home Wi-Fi, I can directly open my Airtouch app on my mobile phone. So I do have a Samsung ducted aircon system. So on this screen you can see that there is a on off button, so you can turn on and off the unit from the top on off button on the screen. And you can also select the aircon mode like cool, heat, fresh, dry, auto. You can also set the fan speed. In the zones, you can set the different temperatures for each zone. You can turn on and off the different zones independently. In the program, you can turn on and off the aircon unit based on the time. In program, you can actually set different programs to turn on and off different zones. So it's pretty much customizable on based on your requirement. In favorites, you can define your favorites. And help is pretty much like yeah, it's like a website address and a customer service number. So that's it. That's pretty much about the AirTouch app. It's really handy. It's really basic. So do let me know about this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will get the updates in the future. Thank you.